Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question and it says a to the power of 6 minus 64 equals to 0. So we are going to find the solution of this equation. We are given a to the power of 6 minus 64 equals to 0. 64, we all know that 64 is equals to 8 times 8, which is equals to 8 to the power of 2. So this can be written as a to the power of 6 minus 8 to the power of 2 equals to 0. And 6 can be written as a to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 minus a to the power of 2 equals to 0. If you look at this, it is in the form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, which is equals to, and a difference of 2 squared is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to express this in this format. This is our a and this is our b. Therefore, this will become a to the power of 3 plus 8. That's for the first parenthesis. The second parenthesis, we have a to the power of 3 minus 8, all equals to 0. So in this case, we can see that we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one, where we have a to the power of 3 plus 8 equals to 0. Therefore, a to the power of 3 plus 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So we have a 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. This one is in the form of a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, which is equals to a plus b into a minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So that is for this. This is the first one and this is the second equation. So here we are going to express this in this format. In that case, a plus our b here is 2. Then we have into our a here is a to the power of 2, then minus 2a. This is ab, which is ab. We have plus 2 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So in this case, this is the same thing as having a plus 2 into a to the power of 2 minus 2a plus 4 equals to 0. So here we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So we take this one first. We have a plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, our value of a will be equals to minus 2. So this is the first value of a that we have. So we take this second one, where we have a to the power of 2 minus 2a plus 4 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to compare it with the standard quadratic equation, which is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing these two equations, we have the value of a, which is equals to 1, and the value of b equals to minus 2, and the value of c equals to 4. Then we are going to substitute this into a quadratic formula where we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. Substituting this parameter into this quadratic formula, we have the value of x equals to minus b, which is minus into minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times, we have here c as 4 all over 2 times 1. So in this case, value of x equals to minus times minus 2 will become 2. Then we have plus or minus square root of minus 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 4 will become minus 16. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So in that case, our value of x will become 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 will become square root of minus 12 all over 2. So this is the value of x. We need to clean this for us to continue our evaluation. In that case, we have the value of x equals to, we have here 2 plus or minus square root of minus 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. In that case, okay, this is a, because we are looking for the value of a, not x. So this place is a, here is a, and here is A, because we have the value of A1 as minus 2. So in this case, our value of A will become 2 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So in this case, value of A equals to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. We have root 3I, because square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, all over 2. In this case, we have two solutions of A here, which is 2 and 3, because we have A1 here. So these are the solution of A that we have. We are going to look at the second one. We just finished with this one. We are going to look at this one that we have. In that case, we need to clean this for us to have space. Then the value of A from this second one, that is second equation, where we have A to the power of 3 minus 8 equals to 0. That is for the second one. Then you can look at it. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So we have here A to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. This is in the form A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3, which is difference of 2q, which will give us A minus B all into A to the power of 2 plus AB plus B to the power of 2. So in this case, expressing this in this format, we are going to have here as A minus 2, then we have into A to the power of 2 plus 2A plus 2 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. Then evaluating this will give us A minus 2 into A to the power of 2 plus 2A plus 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. We have here plus 4, all equals to 0. This is another two parentheses, which the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Taking this one, we have A minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, the value of A will become 2. So this is A4 that we have, the fourth value of A that we have. So this second part, we have A to the power of 2 plus 2A plus 4 equals to 0. Comparing this with the standard quadratic equation, where we have Ax to the power of 2 plus Bx plus C equals to 0. Comparing these two, our value of A equals to 1, then our value of B equals to 2, and our value of C equals to 4. Substituting that into a quadratic formula, where we have A equals to minus B plus or minus square root of B to the power of 2 minus 4AC all over 2 times A. In that case, our value of A will become minus 2 plus or minus square root of B to the power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 2, minus 4 times A, which is times 1 times 4 all over 2 times 1, which is A. So in that case, we need to move over to this other side by cleaning here. So we have the value of A equals to minus 2 plus or minus, we have square root of 2 to the power of 2 is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 will become 16 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Our value of A equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 will become minus 12 all over 2. This will give us minus 12 plus or minus square root of 4 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. So this will become A equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 3I all over 2. So in this case, we can use this to separate this. This can give us minus 2 all over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3I all over 2. In this case, 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here. 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here. Therefore, we have the value of A equals to minus 1 plus or minus root 3I. And this is two solutions where we have A5 and A6. So we are going to write out all the solution of A that we have from our evaluation. So starting from A1 equals to minus 2. Then our A2, which is this. And here, from here, we can further evaluate this for us to have a simplest solution where we have A2, 3, which is equals to, we can separate these 2 all over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3I all over 2. So our A23 will become, this will cancel here and this will cancel here, this will cancel here and cancel here. We have 1 plus or minus root 3I. So in this case, separating this, we have A2 as 1 plus root 3I. Then A3 as 1 minus root 3I. Then we have A4 as 2, which is this one. Then our A5 equals to, from here we have minus 1 plus root 3I. Then our A6 equals to minus 1 minus root 3I. So these are the solution of A, which are 6 in number, because we have a to the power of 6. So the solution of A in this equation is going to be 6 different solutions. So we have this. We have 2 real solutions and also 4 imaginary solutions. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.